love me. To make it girl.
If I hold this jacket,
they're supposed to be here.
this road not good to follow in the morning.
Them they're supposed to drive rich here.
I'm surprised though, they're not supposed to block traffic. Because see their own space, see their line there. So they're supposed to stop for that. And you're not supposed to block intersection or block the traffic. So if you see
there was some
if you see space no go allow you to drive, then you're supposed to wait, even if like they show you green.
You see how this one stop now. They will collect tickets.